Hi everyone, it's Ramos. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just washed my hair and I wanted to take advantage of this to show you 3 different ways to style my current haircut. For the first one, we are gonna start blow drying the hair without this piece from the blow dryer because we want to remove the maximum of humidity of the hair. And for the next step, we will be drying it upside down because we want to get volume on the roots, especially on the top part. And the top back part of the head, we're gonna do it backwards. And the sides and the very back of the hair, we're gonna do it all straight and flat. And if you did it correctly, drying the hair with a dryer kind of in the middle of the head and drying it in a straight motion, and you're gonna get this parting on the mid. That's the look we're going for. For the second one, we're gonna take the hair and create a difference between the sides and the top part, not as the previous one that was kind of all connected. So we're gonna define the partings in the right and also in the left to be able to see the hair going up and then going to the side. To make it even more visible, we're gonna take the comb and we're gonna dry it super slicked and super straight because we want this top part of the hair go to the side and back in the right area. It is your left, but it's my right. And in my left or your right part in the video, I'm slicking it down to be able to see this parting because we are creating this side part. If you did it correctly, when you move your hair, it has to go back to its place. And to add a little bit of texture to the hair, I'm using this wax from Matrix. I'm putting it all over the hair, not really caring about the parting because if you dry it correctly, it will create the parting by itself. Just defining a little bit the sides and the top to create a nice texture. You can use the comb to slick the sides a little bit more to create that tidy effect. Just in case you want to make it look a little bit more tidy and more clean. And that was the second hairstyle that you can do with this haircut. For the third one, I'm gonna take this comb again and create sections on the top part of the hair. I'm gonna start teasing the back section of the top part of the hair. What I like to do is putting hairspray first because that way when I tease, it stays on place because I have very fine hair. So if I tease without the hairspray, it doesn't stay. And then I put a little bit more of hairspray to set what I did. I'm gonna continue with the next section towards the face and doing the same procedure. I put hairspray, I tease it, and when I finish this, I add a little bit more of a hairspray. For the last section, I'm not gonna tease that much because we don't want the teasing to be visible. So as a final step, I'm combing it all through to remove the tangles and the teasing on the visible areas. My hair is already prepared for blow drying. You have a video on the description box where I show you how I prepare my hairstyle for blow drying without damage. Don't forget to go and check it. And adding a little bit of hairspray on my hands, I'm gonna add texture to the hair because I don't want to look it too puffy or too like a quiff, because it's kind of a quiff hairstyle, but with the texture and with the beach texture style. So then I spread it all over the hair, adding a little bit of texture with my fingers. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this haircut and the hairstyle you can do with it. Also, like this video if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It's The Awaking of the Style, and see you next week.